Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got another package in the mail. Lately, I haven't really been doing the unboxings, just kind of showing you after I pull it out of the box what I received. But this one's a little bit different. You know, what's kind of common with some of these auctions nowadays is that they'll build you a box. So if they have frequent auctions, you can say, hey, I'll go ahead and take that and put it in my box. Build me a box. And what's really cool about it is you only pay shipping one time, and no matter how much stuff you add to the box, you only pay that one-time shipping. So the first item you buy, they'll charge you shipping for it. And then after that, anytime you pick up something in the auction and you put it in your box, there's no shipping fees added to it. Whenever you're ready, you can just say, I'm ready now, just go ahead and send me my box. You get 1 item, 2 items, 10 items, 20 items, it doesn't matter. You can have them hold the box as long as you want them to. So this is the first time I ever did something like this. And this is the box I just got in the mail recently. And I'm anxious to open it up because honestly, I'm not sure I remember everything that's in there. I can remember most of it, but honestly, I'm not sure I can remember the first thing that I ordered to put in the box. So anyway, it's kind of exciting to get it open, see what's in there. And this time I kind of thought to myself after I had them send it to me, man, I didn't write down everything I had put in the box, so it kind of protects us both. How do I know that I received everything that I purchased, right? And, you know, I think the guy's valid. I'm not saying anything about that. I think he's got himself good business doing good things. But, you know, anybody can make a mistake, including me, by not documenting what I ordered. All right, so enough about that. Why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, he's got this thing just sealed up. I mean, very well packaged. I mean, there's tape around every single side of this thing, front and back. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to get into this thing. Guess I'm going to start over here on the edge. Just cut into it and hope I don't cut anything important. Let's try that. Let's see if I did any damage. Well, at least I can see the box now. So very well packaged. I don't know if there's going to be an invoice or anything in here, but we'll see. Look at that, packaged up very well. Really appreciate that. Alright, so let's see what I have here. Oh yes. Got myself a 10-ounce prospector's bar. And I was collecting these for a while. I got 1 through 5, 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounce, 4 ounce, 5 ounce. I was trying to get all the way up to 10. I saw he had this 10 ouncer for sale. So I picked that up. That's pretty nice, huh? He's in great shape. So, see if I can open it up here. It's just a little plastic baggie. Dump it out. Ooh, yeah. Oh, nice cold silver. Look at that baby, huh? I like Prospector's Gold and Gems. Got a little bit of their gold. They got some 10th ounce gold rounds that they produce that are pretty cool. But yeah, that's a nice one. I like that. Alright, cool. Alright, so let's see what's in here. You know what? I'm realizing that the last thing I ordered is not in this box. So I'm going to have to send me a quick note and find out, oh yeah, actually there it is. Alright, cool. Let's get this out of the way. So I got a couple, okay, let's get this box out of the way at this point. It's not doing us much good. Put my knife away. I don't want to get cut. Alright, get reorganized here. Maybe zoom in a little bit. Alright, so here we go. Got the Prospector's bar. Nice. A couple Geigers here, right? Ooh. I remember those. This should be a 20 grammer, I think. So it's got some milk spotting on it. Don't see a whole lot with Geiger, but once in a while. Definitely has a big old milk spot on there. It's okay. don't prefer it, but you know, silver gets milk spots. Serialized, so 20 gram Geiger bar, pretty cool. Alright, and then I got a 1 gram Geiger Gold. I'm trying to collect all the different assays. I didn't have the congratulations or the fireworks, whatever they call that one. I've got the hearts, I've got the fish, maybe the only two. So I saw this was a unique one, and also I needed 1 gram. I usually don't buy 1 grammers much anymore, but I needed the 1 gram to tick me over the edge to another ounce. So I really primarily bought it for that, but because it was a different assay from what I had before, I thought it'd be a good time to buy it. And paid the standard, Geiger Gold price for it. It wasn't a great deal, but I wanted it for my collection, and that's pretty cool. So Geiger Gold has the security features on it, and they're also, even though they're only 1 gram, also serialized. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so we got those. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, it looks like I gotta get my knife out again. Alright. Let's see what we have in here. Couple things. Yes. Now I remember what that first item was that I bought. We'll show that last. So many of you have probably seen this round that's been out. Inflation is coming. And the other side is a 3-headed dragon with Biden, Pelosi, and Fauci on there. So I just thought that was pretty cool. It's got the matte finish. I've got another one that's more of a proof finish. And really, I just like to buy stuff like this because it's kind of a sign of the times. 20 years from now, 30, 40 years, we'll look back. And it's kind of cool to have some of these rounds that kind of mark the sign of the times, Recently got a, Let's Go Brandon, and, just different ones like that. Just marking the sign of the times. And so I think it's kind of cool once in a while. Just get something a little bit different. Don't buy a whole lot of it because usually it has a premium on it. But again, it might be something to pull out of a little chest 20 years from now, talking to a grandkid or a great grandkid, and just talk about how things were back then. All right, and then this was what I originally bought at the start the box. Well, these Sunshine Mintine rounds. These are one of the newer ones. It's got the security spot here where you can put their little decoder over the top of it and see some writing to verify that it's real. But I'm working on a tube of Sunshine rounds. I didn't remember this was in a capsule, so it's not a tight capsule, so it's probably not the right one for it, but I'll pop it out of there and put it in the tube of Sunshine Mintine rounds that I've been putting together. But, figured it was worth, I don't remember what I paid for it, but I don't think I overpaid for it. And the fact that the one-time shipping covered all this stuff, that really helps out a lot. Because as you know, I calculate shipping. If I buy an ounce of silver for $32 and I paid $5 for shipping, when I put it in my inventory sheet, I put that I paid $37 for it because that's what I paid for it. Shipping is part of the cost. So, I'll make a note that $5 was for shipping, but still, it's coming out of your pocket towards the PM. So I make sure I note it because I did not get it for $32 or whatever it was, before the shipping. So I'll pop this out of the capsule and, there we go. Came out there pretty easily. Take a look at it. Oh, that thing is shiny. So Sunshine Mintine. Sunshine Mintine Company is a very popular company. Supplies a lot of their planchets for people, for other companies, and last I heard, to the U.S. government, U.S. Mint. So that's a nice one, huh? All right, so there we go. What do you think, huh? That's a nice box to receive in the mail, huh? Let me see, 10, 11, 12 and a half or a little more. 12 and a half ounces of silver, plus a gram of gold. Put me up over a certain milestone marker on the gold. And it's Geiger gold, which is absolutely awesome. Gotta love your Geiger, right? If you didn't see my Guilty Pleasures video on Geiger that I did a week or two ago, check that out. It's pretty cool. Show you my Geiger collection, and that's become part of it. Although I don't think a single one of those Geiger bars I showed you guys on that video had milk spotting like that. So pretty unusual to see a Geiger milk spot like that. I mean, I've seen Geigers milk spot. I'm not saying they don't do it, but that's a pretty big one. Not really sure what happened there. People say it's because of them not cleaning them off properly that causes them to milk spot. But I don't know the way it was handled or what. A little disappointing, but you know what? It is what it is. It's still 20 grams of silver, and I will take it. But this is a start to show. Wow, this thing has got some bulk. I'll move this plastic case out there in case I drop it. I want to crack the case. Man, it's amazing how much 10 ounces weighs. It feels like it weighs in your hand. I mean, that is a chunk of silver. I'm going to get my scale out real quick and let's weigh that thing. Let's see how close to 10 ounces it is. Alright, then after I get done, I probably won't do it on the video this time like I did last time, but probably, I will put this on the Sigma machine and make sure everything passes there. So let me pick it up here. We got grams, we got ounces, we got OZT. I want to do OZT for troy ounces. Let's tear that out. How well can you see that? Well, you can kind of see it. I put it up there. That's a little bit better just for the sake of seeing the meter. Okay, let's put this 10 ouncer in there. Ooh, 10.12, so it weighs a little bit over. That's cool. I'll take it, and I'll take a little overage there. Let's see what this thing weighs. 1.02, so that's good. Let's see what this sunshine round weighs. 1.01. Let's go back to grams. A little G, can't see a little G up there. There's a little G up there for grams. Let's tear that out. Let's throw this on there. 20.1. Let me tear it since I moved it. So everything weighs as it should. So that's pretty cool, huh? All right. Yeah, I was curious about that 10 ouncer. How much that weighed? Weighed just fine. All right. So there you go. Pretty nice box getting the mail, huh? Like I said, he had held it for several weeks for me, so I couldn't quite remember. It was this one that this one I kind of forgot about. That was the first one that made it to the party, so yeah, pretty nice. Let's put this aside. Inflation is coming. You know what, folks? Inflation is here would be the right thing to say now, right? After that inflation report, yeah, we got some problems on our hands, that's for sure. I filled up my gas tank the other day. I couldn't believe how much it cost. Let's even talk about a trip to the grocery store. Holy smokes. Alright, so my camera must be a little bit crooked because I'm putting it straight down here, but it looks crooked on the screen. I thought you might enjoy being surprised like I was as far as what was in the box. You know, I used to do a little giveaway on my YouTube channel of what's in the box, where I would get a box in the mail and I'd make everybody guess what was in there, and I'd give away, you know, some silver if you guessed what it was. Haven't done that in a while. Boy, that would have been a tough one if I would have done this one, huh? Nobody would have ever gotten it. But maybe one of these days I get motivated, I'll play another game of what's in the box. But what was in this box was almost 13 ounces of silver and a gram of gold. And anytime the post office wants to stop by and drop that off to me, I will take it. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.